A lady walks into the pro shop and is complaining about getting stung by bees golfing. So the pro member there asks, he says, well, where are you getting stung? She says, between the first and second hole. He says, your stance is too wide. You're welcome. Okay, tell them what we're doing here.
Okay, so we just jacked up this beam.
Yeah, with the jack on.
Yeah, with the farm jack. And now we're gonna shove the metal plate under there.
1/2 inch steel.
Yeah.
12 inches long.
Put it like pretty much like there,
Yeah,
eh? Halfway.
Center, yeah. And then we're doing that because you see that seam, it's kind of off to the side. We just want to make sure that that distributes the weight properly down to that. Did it in the past, worked out real great.
Yeah. So we have to do it on 3.
Yeah.
On all 3 beams, right on the middle one. I think it is on all of them, isn't it?
Yeah, just to be safe.
Yeah.
So that, I mean, that one is on, but just barely, so we want a little bit more catching. So.
Yeah, so this will be good now.
Yeah.
And then we'll re-screw them.
Yeah, perfect. It's pretty much right where it needs to be, eh?
I think it is.
Pretty much right, yeah.
I think it's right where it needs to be. Nice. Beauty.
And then a couple people had asked about raising that, if it affects those ones. Obviously it's gone a bit, but these here, they all have like a post, the screws, these here, all can be adjusted a few inches, so up or down. So there's a bolt right there. We'll just turn that to level all this out.
Yeah.
After we're done.
Just put the middle one in. Now he's on the other side.
Yeah,
It's such a quick, easy job, but it's really important job.
Yeah, it's well worth it, eh?
Yeah.
Those plates are, what were they, 5 inches wide?
4.5, I think.
4.5?
Yeah.
Yeah, the width of
the thing here. Yeah.
Right. They were 4.5, right? A little more?
Yeah. There, that'll be plenty fine.
See these here? This is what I was talking about.
Yeah.
So we can just adjust
All
that.
that movement.
And then there's a bolt we can tighten there. Right? You can loosen or tighten.
Yeah.
So that's what we were saying there. Now these have lots of catch. Nice.
Easy.
Cool. Just like that.
Done.
Just got to throw a couple more bolts in, and
Yeah, right.
then we'll level this all up, square it, and plywood.
Yay!
And insulation.
Yep. It's close. Maybe one more? That's pretty bang on.
Right there.
Yeah. Good.
Yep, probably the same thing here.
Just tighten it. A lot of tedious work to get the floor ready.
It's pretty good. We'll run that string, obviously.
Okay.
Just do this to start, so it's kind of close.
Tammy drew a funny face.
That's pretty decent right there.
Okay, it's taking the pressure off this.
Is it?
Yeah.
All right, so how's the level look?
Yeah, it's pretty bang on. It definitely doesn't need to be any higher.
Yeah, all right. And the pressure's already coming off that?
Yeah.
All right.
I felt you pull it.
All right. All this little tedious work takes time though.
Yes, I know.
Especially when the weather's been crappy. You
You
get 2 decent days.
Yeah. Out of like 7. Oh yeah, the pressure's fully off now. This thing could literally just slide out. How do you drop it? Kick it? Kick this? There we go. Well, I'm glad we got those things tightened.
Yeah.
That was a job, but we figured out we finally near the end got a system.
Yeah.
Because I'm not very good at reading the level.
Well, and they're a little bit different setup, so
Yeah.
just kind of to get the
The
flow
feel.
of how we were doing it.
I know.
And then once we got it, it was really easy, the last one. Okay.
Yeah. So now we're squaring it.
No, not yet. We're just going to level the middle,
Oh, okay.
see if it's sagging on us.
Yeah.
So we're just going to use our chalk line as a line.
Yeah. Good enough, eh? Looks pretty good.
It's not holding it up, right? Doesn't seem to be.
No, it
Like it's just floating there, isn't it?
doesn't seem to be. No, it seems good.
Right? Like there's nothing, like maybe there a tiny bit. You can if you want, yeah. It's not what we're doing, but
Yeah. You can just fling it anyway.
just try not to pull it out if you do it.
Yeah, just a little fling. A little flick.
There you go.
Do you need me in there?
I just want to see, might be all right.
Yeah, that's good.
Peek! I'm just gonna tighten the,
The bolts underneath?
yeah, they're just kind of whatever.
I'll go around. Are the other ones all tightened
Because
on
this
side?
two middle, just because we put the plate there,
Right.
but we leveled the end one, right? That end one, and that is the plate, so I just tightened it back up. So
Right.
this is the only one that's probably just loose a little bit.
Yeah.
But as far as level here, the string's good and that looks good.
Yeah. Okay, before we go any further, I want you guys to check out my cool new vest. So this is FTVOGUE, and it's a heated vest. And I am like always cold, and winter's coming, and we live in Canada. So a heated vest is super, super awesome. This thing is like super lightweight. It looks good. Like we just didn't really know
Yeah.
what to expect when we ordered it, but it's super lightweight and looks nice.
It's actually way better
And
than
you-
I expected it to be.
Yeah, you wouldn't know that there's like heaters all up in it. So there's one at the back of my neck here, which is awesome for not having to wear a scarf because like it's right up here and I'm right warm back there. My back has one right at the back. It's actually quite hot right now.
Yeah.
And then at the front and inside the pocket. So when your hands get cold, which mine do, I can put them in my pocket and instantly warm them up. It's super, super neat. And inside, if you open it up, comes with a little carry bag, which is cool. So you can just bring it with you if you don't want to wear it and put it in there. So inside here is a sneaky little pocket, and that's where your battery packs is. You plug it inside there. So it comes with a rechargeable lithium battery, which is awesome. And it just hides right inside here. You zip it up. You'd honestly never know there was anything in there. So it's like, again, not bulky. Like you can't tell when I have it zipped up that there's an actual battery pack in there and a bunch of heaters. Like if I turn around and show you,
That's
wouldn't
what
know.
I thought was cool is how like, you know, not bulky stuff it is.
Yeah. And then here, you can't even see it anymore. At first it like lights up red.
Yeah.
There's 3 different settings. There's high, medium, and low. So it'll light up red for the high setting, which I have it on obviously. Then you just press it, see the blue? Now it's on the medium setting, so it'll get a little, like it won't be as hot. And then you can press it one more time for the lowest setting. So it'll still heat up. It'll just be like not so as intense as the high setting, obviously. You know, like a car warmer where it feels like your back may be on fire. That's the highest setting.
It's cool.
But I love it. So I'm going to put it back on hot because it's cold out.
Yeah.
The battery will last for up to 3 hours on the high setting. And then
6 on the medium,
Yep.
10 on the low.
Right. So that's pretty good.
That is actually pretty solid, yeah.
And they come with the charger to recharge it, the USB port, and then the plug for your wall. So
Yeah,
it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I love it.
so do I.
Yeah, he was
Wyatt.
set and even put a coat
Man, it's crazy in here.
Yeah.
Because this is like holding all the heat in.
That's so great.
And that's what was cool, what I was saying, it wasn't right like fluffy.
Yeah.
Like too crazy.
You can sneakily hide it under your coat and be really warm.
Yeah.
And nobody knows that you have like a heater under your coat.
I know. No, legitimately, like this thing's like holding it in like insulation.
Yeah.
It's like I have a wood stove inside my coat and this is the insulation.
I never knew how much I'd love it. Like a heated vest.
Yeah.
I can't believe I didn't get one of these sooner, being Canadian.
I know. Yeah.
It's going to be so great when working though, because now we've got to get this floor done and walls and roof and everything before there's too much snow, hopefully. But it'll be really great to have our warm vest, and I'm probably next time going to throw my coat over it like him. So then it just keeps all the snuggly heat in.
It's a nice bonus.
And then I won't be complaining that I'm cold while we're here, because as you see in many videos, he'll be in a t-shirt and I'm in a full winter coat and toque and scarf.
Yeah.
So clearly this is much needed.
Man, it is cold right now. So
it's really windy.
I can feel heat in my body.
Oh my goodness, I love it. So they're FTVOGUE, and we have a discount code and everything down below. So all the links will be down below for you to check it out. Check out the discount codes. It's honestly like shocking how nice it is.
It is.
This is a small, and like sometimes I never know, because certain places you get a small, it's too big. Other places it fits good. This fits like perfect to size. So I'm really happy with it. I'm happy with the lightweight, how comfortable it is, and how you just don't, like I don't even really notice the battery packs in here, but it's totally not in your way at all. Even with your hands in the pocket, like hold it, it's just not in the way.
Yeah.
So it's really good.
Love
Highly
it.
recommend it. Check them out. Use the discount code to get a discount.
All the info's below.
And get all snuggly and warm in your new vest.
Yeah. We're using it in Canada, so
Yeah.
there you go.
Yeah, I know. You want me to put 2 on each side?
Yeah.
Okay.
Last 2.
Yeah.
Sweet. You almost checked the square.
Yeah, okay.
Off 8 inches. Okay.
That'd be bad, eh? Don't even have a sledge. How do we do this? The measuring tape again? Go corner to corner?
Yeah, I got it right there.
Oh, okay. Here, I'll take this end.
There, you want to go down there?
Okay.
Oh, you might have to move that plywood a bit more.
Okay. Yep.
There we go.
Okay.
Good?
Yep.
All right. Good?
Yep.
Yeah.
It's good?
Yep.
Good.
Bang on.
Beauty, because I was not looking forward to having to somehow shuffle it.
Yeah. I
wasn't.
figured we already did the beams.
Yeah. So you'd think the
So
rest.
it should be, like,
Yeah.
I mean, obviously it's a little different, but we're matched on them.
Yeah.
Like, kind of.
Pretty
We are
much.
one way or the other, but we measured it. And
Yeah.
stuff. No, it's good.
Beauty.
Whoa.
It's so windy.
Man, the weather's been miserable lately.
Oh, my soul.
It's been brutal, so we've been like really fighting up against it right now.
Yeah, the last few days or week or so has been
It's
a
been
lot
brutal.
of rain.
It is, yeah, and wind and just crappy weather, right?
Yeah.
Just if you could just have sun. I
Yeah.
don't care what the temperature is, just sun.
I know, it totally helps.
Yeah.
It's not that bad today, like temperature-wise.
But yeah, so it's just a pain like trying to work around lately, but it'll happen eventually. I'd rather there just be snow and freaking sun, right?
Yeah.
That'd be perfect.
And it'd be easier to get that floor started because you have to lay the bubble foil out. You don't really want to do that in the rain.
No, exactly. We don't want that damp when we put it down. So, yeah, anyways, we're going to check the trail cam and see what we got showing up on this property. Remember, we had a lot of good stuff at the last one.
Yeah.
There's lots of tracks here, so We been moving it around, just trying to get in the right spot.
Let's see what we can
And
find.
yeah, we got to get a couple more up too, so just so we have a few spots being checked out.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, but the hunting grounds are good, so let's just go check.
Yeah, let's see. Did you show them Black Kitty yet?
No,
Yeah, come and see
I
the.
don't think so.
So remember a couple weeks back, our Black Kitty, she was 10 and she died suddenly. So we buried her here. So we got a little spot over here for her. So whenever we come to land, we say hi to her. This is where Black Kitty lieth. We miss her so much, but having 2 new kitties that we bought the day after she died has really helped tremendously. We'll share some pictures of them because they're right cute.
Yeah. This is one of our good little lanes here.
Mm-hmm. We have lots of good lanes in this property.
Yeah, the tree growth's better. This is just better property all around.
It really is. These trees are way bigger than at our last place.
Yeah, the other one had a few, but this one, they're all solid.
Yeah.
There she be.